Hi guys, let's learn how to work with alerts in Selenium WebDriver. Let's open our home page and click on JavaScript Alerts link. We see 3 buttons here and each will open different alert. Our task is to create 3 new tests, each for different alert buttons. And as you see, when we interact with alert, we have this results message. So this time it said you clicked OK. Here we can enter some text and it will say you entered and the text we entered. So let's add new test cases to click on the buttons, then interact with alert and verify results. Here in the code I created new test class alerts tests under new alert test package. And in this class we have 3 different methods: JS alert test, JS dismiss test and JS prompt test. Now let me walk through all 3 tests and show you the steps. So in first test, open main page, click on JavaScript alert link on the main page, and I created this new method, but I will not even show you. It's exactly the same as other methods. You can do it yourself or go to GitHub and copy it from GitHub. Now, next, on the new JavaScript alert page object, we have open JS alert method. Let's go to that method. So here's the new JavaScript alert page object, and first method open JS alert, which is basically we have this locator for our JS alert button and we clicking on this locator. And same, we have 2 more methods for JS confirm button and JS prompt buttons. So same method, just clicking on different locators. And here are all 3 of them. So basically just button with text equals and the text from the button. So when the alert is opened, we are getting alert message. Basically just alert page and new method get alert text. So let's switch to this method. In this method, first we are getting the alert, and I created this new switch to alert method inside our base page object. So this method will use driver wait to wait for alert present on the page, and then will return alert, and to get to alert we're using driver switch to, and then after switch to there is an option, another method alert, which when we hover over we see it returns alert. So basically we're just waiting for alert to be present on the page and then switching to alert. So now when we switch to alert, we're using this alert instance and the method from the alert class get text and returning this text to our test class. In our test class, next step is to click OK button on the alert. So basically OK button will accept alert, and here is the new method accept alert. So let's go and look at this method. So same steps, alert switch to alert and alert accept. We also have few more methods here. Dismiss alert, basically same step, switch to alert and then alert dismiss. This will click on cancel button. Alert send keys, this will type text into alerts input field, and then we click on alert accept to, same as here, close the alert. And another method on our page, since after we interacting with alert we see this new text under result, this method will basically just return text from this result locator. So here on the top of the page we have this new locator, result text locator, which I found by ID result. And now after we click on OK button, we get in result text and 2 verification. First, that we have the text on alert is expected. So in first test it's IMJS alert. And second, that result text is expected. So since we clicked on OK button, the message supposed to be you successfully clicked an alert. Now the second test, similar steps, just here we opening JS confirm alert, getting text, then clicking cancel button, dismiss alert method, and same verification but different expected messages. I am JS confirm, text from the alert, and you clicked cancel. And the last test in our class, similar steps, the difference is here, open JS prompt alert to open third alert, get text, then we use this type text into alert method, so switch to alert, send key, accept. And we will type hello alert, it's Dmitry here. Let me fix this, so like this. Then get results, and again same verification, different expected text. I am JS prompt alert message, and you entered hello alert, it's Dmitry here. Oh, actually, let's leave it like this. So we will type it's with this symbol, but we will try to verify without this symbol. So basically our expected message and the results will be different. So third test should fail when we run them. So let's actually run the test and see. Here's the alert test suite. Just one test here, which will run all three test methods. So let's run. And you know what? Let me go back here and let's add some sleep methods. You don't need to add them. I will add them just to my test, so we see at least for 1 second what's going on when we run the test, so you guys can catch with your eye. So open alert, and then before verification another sleep, and same for other test. Open, and before verification third test, open, type text, and before verification. So this is just so when I run test you guys can see what's going on my screen. So run as test and G Suite. First test started. So you saw alert, you saw result message, another test. And again, one more test. Total test run 3, failures 1. So as expected, last test failed because the message was not exactly the same. Hello alert, it's Dmitry here without apostrophe, and you entered hello alert, it's Dmitry here with this apostrophe. So now let's fix this test, so next time when we run it, it will work. But now you know how to interact with alerts and how to use Selenium's alert class. And actually let me switch to base test. Let me hover over this alert so you know where I imported it from. So org, OpenQA, Selenium, alert. If you want to learn more about test automation, learn how to build full stack test automation framework with Selenium WebDriver, check out my Selenium tutorials on Udemy. You can use this promo code to get any of my courses with discounted price. If you want to get my course free, just bring your friend, let them use this coupon to purchase my course, and I will give you any of my courses free.